All right, the first time we do this song, we're going to move to the macro beat, and then we're going to move to the micro beat. Ready? One and a two, and here we go. Bats are flying all around. Listen to their eerie sound. Eek, 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 eek. Good. This time you're going to move your hands to the micro beat. One and a two, and here we go. Bats are flying all around. Listen to their eerie sound. Eek, 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 eek. Good. This time you're going to move like a bat. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. One and a two, and move with me. Bats are flying all around. Listen to their eerie sound. Eek, 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 eek. Spiders are crawling all around. Listen to their hissing sound. Hiss, 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 hiss. Wolves are prowling all around. Listen to their howling sound. Howl, 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 howl. Pumpkins are rolling all around. Listen to their laughing sound. Ha, 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 ha. Ghosts are floating all around. Listen to their ghoulish sound. Boo, 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 boo. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum. Great job.